Welcome to Knowledge Hub 1842. I apologize for such a long delay or a long gap. There was a reason behind it. So today I have brought a very interesting traditional question for you from mathematics. But before disclosing my today's topic, I would like to request you that if you find our video interesting, so please give it a thumb, subscribe our channel for more such videos, and please share this video with your friends. So my today's topic is from mathematics as told earlier. So there is again a traditional question, and question goes like this. There are three temples. Let us label them as A, B, temple B, and temple C. But there are two rivers between these, between A and B, and between B and C. And these rivers are magical rivers. Let us label these rivers as rivers R1 and R2. So what happens? A person went from home with a certain number of flowers with him. Say the number of flowers he started with B, X. So when he entered this temple, he offered 8 flowers here. After offering 8 flowers in this temple, he crossed this magical river. When he crossed, the number of remaining flowers got double. So out of those flowers, he offered 8 flowers here. When he crossed the river R2, again the number of remaining flowers got doubled. So after crossing this river, he entered temple C and offered 8 flowers here. But when he came out of this temple, he was left with 0 flower or no flower. So now the question arises, how many flowers did he start with, or did he carry from home? So let us solve this question or this traditional question logically. But we will need some symbols to help us in our solution. So here are the symbols. C will represent the number of flowers carried at each step. O will be the number of flowers offered in each temple. So BC will represent the times the number of flowers grew, and L will represent the number of flowers left. So let us start from temple A, from home. So when he reached at temple A, so let us start from temple A. What happened at A? He carried X flowers to temple A. offered, as you know, 8 flowers. So number of flowers left is equal to x minus 8. So what happened at when he crossed river R1, at R1, what happened? Number of flowers he carried is equal to x minus 8. Now BC means the number of times the flowers, number of flowers grew. BC is equal to double of this, 2x minus 8. So with these many flowers, so let us solve this expression here. It is equal to 2x minus 16. So now let us go to temple B. What happened at B? He carried these many flowers to temple B. So number of flowers carried to this temple is equal to 2x minus 16. So number of flowers offered is equal to 8. So the number of flowers left after offering these 8 flowers is equal to 2x minus 16 minus 8. So it is equal to 2x minus 24. So now with these many flowers, he crossed river R2. So what happened at river R2? At R2, he carried these many flowers. Number of flowers carried is equal to 2x minus 24. So the number of times this number of flowers grew, BC is equal to double of this, 2x minus 24. So now let us solve this expression also. So it is equal to 2 to the 4x, 24 to the 48. So now he offered 8, number of flowers offered 8 is equal to 8. So now let me now with these flowers he went to temple C. So now we have to go to temple C and let us see what happened at temple C. So number of flowers carried is equal to 4x minus 48. So as you know that he offered 8 flowers at each temple, so same is the case here. Our number of flowers offered in this temple is equal to 8. He was left with 4x minus 48 minus 8 because he offered 8 flowers here, so he was left with these many flowers. So let us solve this expression. So it becomes 4x minus 56. So now according to the question, this should be equal to 0. So according to question, 4x minus 56 should be equal to 0. So now let us solve it. 4x is equal to, let us transfer this minus 56 to the right hand side. So it becomes positive 56. So x will be equal to 56 upon 4. So now let us apply cancellation here. So 4 ones are 4, 14 4s are 56. So which implies x is equal to 14. So now let us check whether our answer is correct or not. So let us start with, so he carried 14 flowers from home and offered 8 flowers here. So he is left with 6 flowers when he crossed river R1 with 6 flowers. So the number of flowers doubled. So double of 6 is 12. So he entered temple B with 12 flowers and offered 8 here. So he is left with 4 flowers. So but when he crossed river R2, so the number of flowers got doubled. So the double of 4 is 8. So he offered 8 flowers in this temple. Obviously he is left with 0 flower. So now this proves that our answer is correct. So thank you for watching.